Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will show you how to change the oil on your Lexus GX470. First, let's gather our essential tools and supplies. You will need a 12mm wrench, an oil filter wrench, and a drain pan. Make sure you have 6 6/10 quarts of new 5W30 engine oil, a new oil filter, and a fresh drain plug gasket. Park your vehicle on a level surface and let the engine cool for about 30 minutes. Now let's drain the old engine oil. Carefully slide under your GX470 and locate the oil drain plug on the bottom of the oil pan. Place your drain pan directly underneath it. Using your 12mm wrench, slowly loosen and remove the drain plug. Be prepared for the oil to flow out quickly. Let all the old oil drain completely, which usually takes about 10 to 15 minutes. With the old oil drained, it's time to replace the oil filter. Locate the oil filter housing, usually on the passenger side, near the front of the engine. Use your oil filter wrench to carefully loosen and remove the old filter. Before installing the new one, apply a thin layer of fresh engine oil to its rubber gasket. Hand tighten the new filter until snug, then give it an additional 3/4 of a turn. Finally, let's add the new oil and perform our final checks. Reinstall the drain plug with a new gasket, tightening it to 29 foot-pounds. Now, pour approximately 6 6/10 quarts of new 5W30 engine oil into the oil fill cap. Start your engine and let it run for a few minutes, checking for any leaks around the drain plug and filter. Turn off the engine, wait a moment, then verify the oil level on the dipstick.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.